Okay, doing an update on the tiger salamanders. I'm feeding them right now, and this guy's begging for them. It's his third one, and he's been going crazy ever since I started feeding him. This one's eating his. He's eating them pretty slow, but the good news is he's not turning on his back anymore. So I think he may be getting better, which is awesome. That's what I was hoping for. So patience was all it needed, I guess. I'm going to continue hand feeding him so he doesn't have to exert himself to find his food for at least another 2 weeks or so, just to make sure he gets fattened up and has enough energy and stuff like that. And see, he's still looking for food. He's pretty active when it's feeding time. It's pretty cool. All right, thanks for checking in.